How to add white border on Instagram. So first thing that you would like to do is download an application from your Play Store or App Store that's called PicsArt. Then open PicsArt, and here in this page scroll down until you see color backgrounds. Select on the white background. In the bottom section we can see a lot of options. What we need to click is on add photo, then select the picture that you would like to upload and click on add. Here we can resize it to whatever size we want. Make sure that you size it constantly so that your pictures will be equal. For example, I would like the white border to be this thick. Just click on the check mark, the arrow icon, and click on gallery. Once we have saved it, we can now head over to our Instagram account and click on add post. Here you can see the photo that we just made. It has now a white background. Click on the arrow icon and you can choose a filter here. For example, this one. Click on arrow icon for once more optionally. So click on the check mark and click on share to Instagram only. Wait for a few seconds, and once finished, congratulations, you have successfully added a post that has a white background on your Instagram account. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.